tincture of iodine tincture. What is iodine tincture? And iodine is acting as the powerful antiseptic. Why? We discuss about these two points in this video lecture. So before starting this video lecture, I would like to remind you that if you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. Antiseptic. At first we have to know that what do we mean by antiseptic. Antiseptic is the chemical compound which is used to prevent or kill the growth of microorganisms, and iodine is an antiseptic, which is antiseptic chemical which is used to prevent and to kill the growth of the microorganism. Okay, so tincture of iodine means iodine solution in alcohol and water. A solution containing means a solution of alcohol and water which contains iodine is called tincture of iodine. So as a tincture of iodine, we can say the tincture of iodine is a mixture of alcohol, water and 2 to 5% iodine. Okay, so tincture of iodine means a solution, antiseptic solution, powerful antiseptic. You know, iodine is a very powerful antiseptic substance, antiseptic chemical, and tincture of iodine means iodine solution where alcohol and water solution, in alcohol and water solution, when 2 to 5% iodine is containing 2 to 5% iodine, that time we call the mixture as tincture of iodine. And as an alcohol, here ethanol is used, C2H5OH, which is called ethanol. So C2H5OH as an alcohol, in this tincture of iodine mixture, ethanol is present, water and 2 to 5% iodine is present, and with this tincture of in tincture of iodine, with this water, alcohol and 2 to 5% iodine, some potassium iodide and sodium iodide is also mixed up. And what is tincture? Tincture means the solution. In chemistry, tincture is the solution where ethanol is used as the solvent. So you can understand right now that what is the meaning of tincture of iodine. It is an antiseptic. It is the solution of water and alcohol and water that containing 2 to 5% of iodine, and it is used as an antiseptic. Okay, it is used to kill or prevent the growth of microorganism. You know, it is an antiseptic and used in our daily life, like to in skin disease. We can use disease skin, means where skin disease is happening, that time we can use this antiseptic iodine, tincture of iodine antiseptic, or to clean the surface of the vegetables and fruits, we can use this antiseptic. And for drinking water, to make the drinking water germ free, we can use this antiseptic tincture of iodine. So you already understand that what do we mean by tincture of iodine. Next point is iodine acts as powerful antiseptic. You know, iodine is a powerful antiseptic. It can kill and growth. It can kill and prevent the growth of the microorganism. So and for this reason, iodine is the chemical which is called as the antiseptic, powerful antiseptic. It has these chemical properties. So that's the discussion regarding what do we mean by tincture of iodine, and iodine act as the antiseptic. As antiseptic, iodine is a powerful antiseptic. It has a good quality of antiseptic it can be called as the powerful antiseptic, and it is tincture of iodine is the dilute solution or weak solution, you can say weak solution of iodine, which is used in tincture of iodine. So that's the discussion. I think you understand this topic. What do you mean by tincture of iodine and antiseptic iodine? Iodine has a very good role in antiseptic field, and it can be considered as antiseptic chemical. So that's the discussion. Thank you for watching this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get the new videos upload notification. So that's it. Thank you for watching this discussion.